I'm John Crestani. I've made millions of dollars with affiliate marketing. I made $600,000 last month alone. And I'll be going over what the best affiliate marketing software and tools are to help you take your affiliate marketing to the next level. Now, I'll be going over where to host your website, a good site builder for building landing pages, a bunch of ad spy tools to help you spy on the competition's ads, click trackers that you can use, a cloaker, and also if you're bigger, a media buyer management tool, which is pretty crazy. So stay tuned, sit down, and get ready for some really sick things that can help you make more money. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you need a website, okay? This is just a foundational thing. It's not really a software, but it's super important. Now, for website hosting, the website host that I recommend is Bluehost. I have a special deal that I'll give you guys. I'll put a link in somewhere in the description, but basically you can get really cheap website hosting online. This is, I have a special offer with Bluehost. This is what I use. It's $3 a month to host your website there. And a lot of my training, if you're one of my students going through my 6-week course, the Super Affiliate System, all of that training is really based around hosting your website on Bluehost. So I would just suggest using that. It's easy, fast, cheap, and effective. Building your site can be complicated. I personally don't have any technical skills myself, and if you ask me to program anything, I will literally break the internet, and it just takes a lot of time to have other people, developers or stuff, create your own pre-sale page or landing pages. So I actually recommend you use a site building tool. I prefer ClickFunnels. If you come over here with me on my computer, you'll see ClickFunnels makes it really easy to build marketing funnels, and it's just a WYSIWYG tool to quickly edit websites. Now, if you sign up with ClickFunnels, if you go for the free 14-day free trial through my link, I'll actually give you a free funnel that you can use to promote one of my affiliate products, and you can see how easy it is to use. You just, when you get the funnel, you'll just click Edit Page, and here you go. If you want to change up anything on this page, let's say you just want to say, like the true story, it's super easy. And to save it, you just click Save right here, and no programming required to actually create or change websites for whatever product you're marketing. Now, I've been using ClickFunnels for years. It's helped transform my business and make me more profitable because I'm able to split test landing pages, create them faster, and ultimately do more effective marketing, which makes me more profits. Now, for the third category of affiliate marketing tools, these are like super important. It's a very big staple if you want to become successful, if you just want to do your job faster, and that's ad spy tools. So finding ads to copy from other marketers that have been testing their ads for years is one of the fastest ways to get started. It sucks trying to think of your own ads to write, especially if you're new. Now, when I was new, I didn't know anything about the products I was promoting. I have no knowledge about the skincare industry or the weight loss industry or the muscle supplement industry or even the investment industry, which are all markets that I've made millions of dollars in. Now, the way I was able to actually create effective advertising is I simply looked at what's working, and I used ad spy tools to find other marketers' ads that were running for a long period of time and already proven effective. Now, I'm going to be going over a few tools, ad spy tools on my computer that you can use to get started with. So the first ad spy tool is for Facebook ads, and that's called Social Ad Scout. And if you want to spy on different people's Facebook advertising campaigns, you can use this program to find millions of ads on Facebook from 21 countries. So no matter where you're promoting, it's very easy. You just kind of find the ad, you'll see the landing page, and you can even click download if you want to download the landing pages of the ads or of the affiliate campaigns that you want to copy. So very simple, effective tool that can help you out on Facebook. Now, if you want to spy on ads on native ad networks or Google, you'll need to use a separate tool to do that. Now, one of the tools I recommend is AdBeat. So AdBeat is a tool created by a very famous affiliate marketer, Mike Colella, and they make it really easy to find ads. They have tons of ad networks. The pricing on AdBeat is not cheap though. It's anywhere from $250 to $300 per month. That being said, ad spy tools in general are not necessarily cheap. You can find a lot of advertising on your own, but if you're really looking to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, investing in an ad spy tool will save you a lot of time. The next ad spy tool is called What Runs Where, and it's very similar to AdBeat. Now here we see the website What Runs Where. Performance advertising is hard. What Runs Where makes it easier. So AdBeat makes it pretty easy to just scroll through ads as you see on the screen here and find advertisements, do analysis on how long they've been running to help you find advertising campaigns that will help out whatever you're doing. And they support a lot of different countries, as you see, US, Australia, Canada, UK, Germany. Germany is a big market. A lot of people aren't tapping in. And the pricing of What Runs Where is also not cheap. It's $300 to $400 per month. Very similar to AdBeat. They're both basically preference which one you use. Now the next ad spy tool is called SpyFu, and SpyFu is the best ad spy tool for looking at Google ads on Google search. Now, what's great about SpyFu is that you can obviously find Google search ads just by searching keywords in your niche. Weight loss for working moms or whatever keywords you're looking for, skincare products, etc. You can find ads just by Googling, but SpyFu gives you an idea of how long those ads have been running. And generally speaking, the longer an ad has been running, the better it is. If a certain ad text has been running for a long time, that's an indicator that messaging is working, and it's working very well. Now, SpyFu allows you to enter in a competitor's website. Let's say we are looking at, TaiLopez.com or something like that. It will show you all sorts of data, what organic keywords they work for, and it'll also show you what paid keywords they work for. Similar sites, etc. And it'll show you all the different information on stuff like that. So very helpful. Now this last tool is helpful specifically for native advertising networks, and it's called Anstrex. It's a bit of a newer ad spy tool, so therefore it's also much cheaper than the other tools which are a little more established in the market, which I'd shown you earlier. Now Anstrex was actually created by an acquaintance of mine, and what we can see here is what's cool is that they actually compare themselves to some of the other ad spy tools. You can see here Adplexity, AdVault, Native Ads, Buzz. These are also spy tools you can use, and they kind of compare themselves to those programs here. So you can kind of get an idea of what things are important based on what criteria they're using in their comparison. Now the pricing of everything is $40 to $60 per month. So it's a lot cheaper than the other options, and it allows you to spy on, they have over 10 million ads in their database. And this was also created by affiliates for affiliate marketers. So very powerful tool right here. Check this out. You can use it for 2 days for free. So just to get an idea of how it works and if you like it or not. Ad spy tools have been very good to me. I've learned so much about other people's advertising from them, and they can really help you out in your business. Now, the next category of software is a must-have if you are currently making sales as an affiliate and you want to get better at optimizing your advertising campaigns. Or let's say you're running an affiliate campaign and you're breaking even, or maybe you're getting sales but you're losing a bit of money. Click trackers can help give you that insight into your data to figure out what sources you should exclude, and also give you ability to split test your landing pages. Now, I've personally found split testing your landing pages is one of the biggest factors that separates newbie affiliates that are just breaking even from affiliate marketers who are making tons of money. Being able to put up a lot of landing pages and test them quickly and assess which are working best is just such a powerful tool in your arsenal, and this is where click trackers really help you out to make more money as a marketer. Now, there are three main click tracking tools in the market right now that I would recommend and that are effective to help you take your business to the next level. Now, the oldest one and the most tried and true one, almost the original click tracker, is Volume. So Volume was created by a friend of mine and also a very successful affiliate marketer from Poland whose net worth is in the hundreds of millions of dollars now. And he actually has a fun Instagram. This is Rob Grin. He truly lives the internet lifestyle. Here's him with fancy cars. He has an aquarium in his office. He constantly is vacationing in crazy places around the world. Look at this, doing like douchey yoga stuff. This is the king of all douchebags. But, you know, he's successful, he's young, he's created a software company, a click tracker, to help other affiliate marketers make more money and split test their stuff. His stuff is pretty highly recommended, and this software starts at $69 per month. Now, I personally have been using this software for years, and it's very effective. The next click tracking tool is also created by a friend of mine. Randomly enough, I somehow tend to make friends with guys who build software companies. And this friend of mine is Carlos Cruz. Now, he also is a very successful affiliate marketer. He's been making tens of millions of dollars per year. And he runs a company out here in LA. His tracking tool, Click Tool, is very new. It was released very recently on the market. And the pricing is very cheap. It's free up until your first 10,000 clicks. Very cheap pricing. You can sign up for it. And after 10,000 clicks, they only charge about an extra penny per click. So this is a great choice if you're looking to get started but don't want to spend a lot of money because of the fact that it's free. So this would be a very good thing to sign up for. It is in beta, so it won't have as many functionality or features as some of the other click tracking tools that have been on the market longer, but it's still a very effective option. I guess the biggest feature is it allows you to cloak your links, which is a really powerful thing, and which is why I anticipate this software will become much bigger over time. Now, the third click tracking tool that I recommend is called Click Magic, and this software has also been around for a number of years. Thousands and thousands of affiliate marketers use this, and you can sign up for a free trial. This software is not too expensive. It goes from $12 a month, $33 a month, or $66 a month, and you can get started for free. So great software used by some very successful marketers. And what's really neat about Click Magic is that they actually offer a lot of training. In the description or in the top comment, they have 6 trainings on how click tracking works and how you can get started with it. So if you're looking to learn more about click tracking, I'd 100% download their guides and go to the link in my comments to get access to that. So this is a bit of a sketchy tool, and this is really meant for just very aggressive marketers who are marketing products that the ad networks won't necessarily approve on their own. Again, I don't recommend you market products that are not compliant or not meeting the compliance standards of whatever country or ad network that you're working with. But that being said, if you're going to market some of these hardcore CPA offers, you most likely need a cloaker. Now, a cloaker is simply a way, it's not a way to skirt the laws, it's a way to skirt the rules of ad networks, but it's also a way to protect yourself from having other affiliates stealing your landing pages. Now, when you start really making it as an affiliate marketer, other marketers are going to want to steal your landing pages. And if you are innovating, if you are pushing the boundaries and doing better marketing than the next guy, other affiliate marketers are going to start taking notice and wanting to take your landing pages from you so that they can better compete against your own advertising. Cloakers help protect you. They're like a security shield against other marketers stealing your stuff. Now, the cloaker I recommend is No IP Fraud, and you need a referral to use No IP Fraud. Really, this is not something you should be looking into unless you're an advanced affiliate marketer. Now, as you see here on my computer, No IP Fraud is a link protection service. This can be very helpful, and it also helps you reduce fraud. Now, one of the problems I ran into when I started making more and more money from affiliate marketing, when I started getting my campaigns making me tens of thousands of dollars per day, what happened to me was other affiliates would try to sabotage my websites, and they would do what's known as DDoSing, or try to hack my sites or try to steal them. No IP fraud also helps protect you from other affiliates that are trying to DDoS your site, which is called a dedicated denial of service. When you start reaching the upper levels of affiliate marketing, you'll find people will use all sorts of nefarious tactics to keep you from taking their pie. So this can be an essential tool to help protect yourself and shield you from those problems. The last tool I'm going to mention is media buyer management or account management, and this software is not cheap. Unless you're making at least $10,000 or even tens of thousands of dollars per month in your affiliate marketing business, you shouldn't even consider this tool. This tool is really meant for managing teams. If you are a, what's called a super affiliate, and you have, let's say you have other people working under you, you're going to need a way to manage all of the advertising accounts that you are running ads on, and all of the different individuals that you have working in your company that are setting up ads and managing different aspects of your business. Now, Cowboy Kit is really not talked about, but it is an advanced tool, and that's Cowboy with a K. It says the ultimate tracking software. It helps you automate your media buying. It helps you stay organized, manage your teams, and really help you focus on scaling. It gives you a lot of insights into data. They help you manage multiple servers, many pixels, accounts, and it's self-hosted, so it won't steal your data. And also, they help you optimize your affiliate marketing so that you can make more money, make more profits, and ultimately be more successful. So as you can see on my screen, Cowboy Kit runs from anywhere from $1,500 a month to $3,500 a month. Again, this software is not for the weak of heart. This software is really meant for people who have teams of people or a team of people that are placing ads for them. Many of the biggest affiliate marketers, will end up working with employees. Personally, I've always been a lone wolf, so I don't work with teams of people under me. I just do all the marketing myself. I try to scale up my campaigns big and make a lot of money. Other people would call me, I call it a lone wolf. Some people call it a solo media buyer. But whatever you want to call it, there are a lot of affiliate marketers who don't have any employees and just make millions and millions of dollars by themselves. I prefer to keep it that way. I like the kind of no strings attached, and employees just cause me a lot of stress. So I try to keep employees out of my business and just focus. I'm sure I could make more money if I had employees, but I'm making a few $1,000,000 a year right now. I'm pretty sure I can get that up to the low 8 figures. I project I can get my business up to, $10 to $15 million just working on my own. Now, I hope those different softwares help you out in your business. We went over a lot of different programs right here. I'm going to try to put links below. But if you enjoyed this video, and if learning about these different tools that can help your business helps you, give a big like. If this just flew completely over your head and was way too complicated for you to understand the purpose and the point of all these tools and how they fit into things, please type in the comments, just say "over my head," because that'll let me know that this may be a little too advanced. Also, if you want to see more videos on affiliate marketing and learning how to become successful and make millions of dollars online as I have, or make whatever amount you want, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification icon so that you're aware of future videos and also live streams, because I sometimes do live streams, and I'll give away a free copy of my 6-week training course called the Super Affiliate System, which you can learn more about in the link below. Talk soon. Have a good day.